start today's function with the little stars of pre-primary section. So get ready to smile, clap and maybe relive your childhood.
They say the purest happiness comes from the tiny feet and smiling faces. So what can be a better way to begin today's celebration with the youngest stars? So get ready to witness innocence, energy and endless cuteness as our pre-primary students step onto the stage with a delightful welcome dance spreading joy and happiness.
I'll call you what you want. We'll make it such a